Hey folks, welcome. Hope you're doing well. I'm checking the compression on a chainsaw, and so I figured I'd just make a very quick video on how I do it. This chainsaw does not have a compression release valve. I think the Stihl MS 261 has it. There's a bunch that have it. So if yours do have that, you're not going to get a proper reading. But I'm not sure if you don't push the compression valve down and pull it over, maybe you'll get a proper reading. I'm not sure how it works. I haven't had one with it, So I just wanted, to show you how it works. If you're new, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It's totally free. Won't break the bank, I promise. Leave a thumbs up and give a comment. So what you'll need for this particular saw, I don't know what this is. Let me take my glasses off. It's all wore off, but I think it's a T25. They're loosened off already. Brake on it. Hopefully you're seeing this. Take this off. Take your spark plug out. A little pretty sooty. Pretty sooty. Must be running a little rich on the mix. Yeah, there is a bit of build-up on the piston. Can you see that? Compression tester that I have, it was like 30 bucks or something, 40 bucks. I got this adapter right here, and I got this one. I think this one fits in the car actually. So what you do is you put this in your spark plug and you just keep pulling it over until it stops, the needle stops moving up, and take your measurement. Keep it going. And you don't need to tighten it with the wrench. Just tighten it because it's got a hole ring on there, so it's going to tighten it and seal it. So as you can see, zero on the gauge. And I will, if I can roll this over on the bench. I'll get in the way here and use my good arm. Okay, so that should do it. What are we at here? Can you see? So this is 105, 10, 15. We'll say 120. So that's good. That's really good. And you just push the button. She goes back zero. So that's how easy it is, folks, to take the compression reading on your chainsaw. I'll just show you a closer up of that piston. Not too bad, but more than usual. Anyway, folks, that's how you do it.